Still using basic Z image turbo? Stop! Dark-Beast Z is the superior upgrade, optimized for massive 2M pixel details. Best of all, it's all in one. No extra clip loader, no VAE needed. Let's install this beast. Let's review what's me. Now we will go to ComfyUI's GitHub, then download the latest release. Depending on which GPU you use, download that version. After downloading, unzip to the folder. After successfully unzipping, we will install an extension for ComfyUI called ComfyUI Manager for easier use. Then we open CMD and CD into the custom node folder. Then clone the extension. Then we will run ComfyUI. And we have completed the installation of ComfyUI. First, we will download the necessary model files. I have left the model link in the comment section. You can access and download. After downloading, we will move the files to the correct folder in ComfyUI. After moving the file, we will run ComfyUI. After ComfyUI is running, we will drop the workflow file into ComfyUI. We will go to ComfyUI Manager and check if there are any missing extensions to install. Then we will reselect the models in the nodes that match the downloaded model. I will use the built-in prompt. The output resolution is already set to full HD. We will run the workflow. The resulting images are very beautiful and realistic, giving the feeling of being taken with a phone. I will try a different prompt. The result is very beautiful and realistic. All the details are harmonious and the composition is lovely. We will compare Dark-Beast Z with Z Image Turbo. Here I am using full HD resolution images. First, the rain test. The left side handles glass refraction perfectly. The blonde hair and water drops are crisp and distinct. The right side looks muddy and lacks depth. Dark-Beast Z captures that cinematic mood flawlessly. Check out the skin texture here. On the left, the sweat and muscle definition on the Asian model are incredibly realistic. The right side looks too smooth, almost plastic-like. Dark-Beast Z clearly wins on organic details. For the winter shot, look closely at the fur coat. The left renders individual strands perfectly, contrasting with the platinum blonde hair. The right blurs the texture significantly. Dark-Beast Z stays sharp and lifelike even in snow. Glasses are the ultimate test. On the left, the frames are symmetrical and the eyes behind them are crystal clear. The right slightly distorts the lenses and reflections. Dark-Beast Z nails the professional corporate aesthetic. Finally, the sunset silhouette. The left captures a stunning halo effect on her curly blonde hair with accurate facial anatomy. The right feels flat and loses hair detail in the shadows. Dark-Beast Z handles complex lighting much better. That 2M resolution speed is insane, right? If you want high-quality art without the wait, drop a like and subscribe. The download link for Dark Beast Z is in the comment. Go create something epic.